Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the regular channel page on this Saturday, April 1st, 2023. We have two operation weathers right now. We have a time change on that wind advisory in effect for north central Ohio, northeast and northwest Ohio, and northwest Pennsylvania counties until 8 o'clock this evening. They're saying what? Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Gusty winds could blow around uncertain objects. Tree limbs could blown down. A few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving of a higher vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Again, this is a wind advisory in effect for Crawford. No, well, Crawford could be one, but also we have for Ohio, there's 3 sets of Ohio counties and 1 in Pennsylvania counties until 8 o'clock this evening. It was going to say till 6 o'clock this evening, but we're going to do that severe thunderstorm watch in a few minutes. But we're going to remind everyone again, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert and Jeffrey's regular channel pages on YouTube. We got 650 subscribers on there, and we got over at 34 subscribers on there as well. Also subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got 114 subscribers on there. And we got over 1,900 videos of trains, regular train videos, trainless, and live stream videos to enjoy. Trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. I'll read the weather. I'm gonna say we'll read what the Weather Channel says to coming up when we do that severe thunderstorm watch. But before we move on to the next video, we had some crazy weather were happening late last night. We had some severe weather coming in late this evening. Also, I didn't do the 2 operation weathers yesterday. There was a special weather statement in effect for Erie, Crawford, and a few other Ohio, Asheville, and a few Ohio counties until late last night. It was a severe thunderstorm update. Didn't get the watches or warnings or anything right now. And also, I didn't get that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Erie and Crawford counties until 4:30 this morning. So, I don't like doing the operation weathers late in the day, but I just want to let you know again. Again, we have that special weather statement was in effect for Crawford, Erie, Asheville, and a few Ohio counties until after 12 o'clock last night. I know it was from late late last night, though. And then there's also a severe thunderstorm warnings was in effect for Erie and Crawford counties until 4:30 this morning. So just want to be clear or something. So I'm hearing the puppy coming in. Am I going to lose one of the operation weathers? I tried to upload that high wind warning from last Saturday, and I couldn't get it on there, so I still got the operation weathers for that special weather statement hasn't been uploaded yet, or that wind advisory from yesterday hasn't been up yet. So we just called for a wind advisories yesterday in effect for Erie, Crawford, and a few Ohio counties. But we're going to get to that severe thunderstorm watch coming up in just a few minutes. So, are you going to read the weather? I will on the next video, because we're going to do that. There's another operation weather coming, and this is a severe thunderstorm. We did a severe thunderstorm watch last week. What? So, yeah, Mom. All right, I think my mom wants to go to Walmart or something right now. So we're going to get off. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 8 o'clock this evening. It's supposed to call for, soon as I get back from the store, I'll do that operation weather for a severe thunderstorm watch. So it's supposed to get, that's the next one we're doing, a severe thunderstorm watch. We'll do that here. It's supposed to call for 20 to 30 miles per hour southwest winds and gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So, but we're going to get off. So mom wants to go to Walmart and stuff, and we'll be back on after I get back with the next video. That will be that severe thunderstorm watch in effect for what counties? For Ohio and Pennsylvania counties. Talk to you later.